Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think that this is possibly going to make a move to the upside. I was originally thinking it would go down and take out that low before it goes up, but I think it's pretty obvious now that we are going up. I think there's also a chance this could turn into that WXY pattern like this and probably end up making another three waves up and maybe after that even continuing back down. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see three waves up right here, definitely three waves up. Then it looks like three waves down. So there's a good chance that we are going to make another three-way pattern to the upside. Like I said, I think it's going to be a WX and Y. So let's keep that in mind as we go down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can actually see this downtrend. Looks like a wave A. I think this is an A, B, C, or B, and I think this is also a downtrend for the C. Nice big impulsive up with a breaker structure helps prove that this whole pattern is over. I think now we're going up to make an A, eventually make a B, and probably up again for a C. Probably going to be another three-way pattern for the ABC of Y. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, definitely no reason to think this trend is over. We are going up. We're going up pretty strong also. So I think the trend is still up. I definitely don't see any reason to think it's over. So I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend, especially on these sort of time frames at the end of ABC pullbacks. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Now we definitely have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here, which definitely does make me think that this is going to make a move down. Now we definitely don't have any news today either, so I think there's a good chance it's going to be a very corrective day. Probably right into next week we're going to make a correction down, probably to one of these Fibonacci levels. Then we're going to make an impulsive move up, and I think we're going to end up continuing the uptrend. The higher time frames are definitely telling me the trend is up. Shorter time frames, I'm definitely looking for longs at the end of any ABC pullback that I may see along the way. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.